Smart robot has the appearance of a mini robot and two styling choices are available. The body line is smooth and will not hurt people's hands. A variety of colors of the LED light at the eyes are available which change randomly. The arms are flexible and can swim freely. Wearable watch-style remote controller is offered which will not be lost easy. Controlling the robot to slide forward, backward and to turn left and right. You can set manually the work path for the robot by pressing the programming button. A mini robot remote controlled by intelligent wristwatch. It's a good companion to kids' childhood. Jelly, your smart robot.